Hey, gearheads and road warriors. Have you ever wondered if there are secrets to your car that even your mechanic might not spill? Whether you're an everyday commuter or a weekend racer, there are hidden tricks that can save you time, money, and a ton of headaches. Today, we're diving into 10 car hacks that most people have never heard of, but could change the way you drive forever. Stick around, because number 7 might just blow your mind. Let's roll. Alright, let's kick things off with number 1. Did you know your key fob might have hidden features you've never used? Many modern cars have a panic button, but some fobs can also roll down your windows on a hot day. Just hold the unlock button for a few seconds, and voila! Instant ventilation. Imagine stepping into a cool car instead of a sauna. Check your owner's manual to see if your car has this feature. Trust me, it's a lifesaver in summer. Now, while we're on the topic of hot days, let's talk about a sneaky little hack for your windshield. Number 2, have you ever noticed how your windshield can be like an oven on a sunny day? The inside of your car gets so hot you can't even touch the steering wheel. Well, here's a trick most drivers overlook. The next time you leave your car in the sun, use a sunshade or even a towel to cover the dashboard. This simple trick reduces the heat buildup inside and prevents the dash from warping. It also keeps your car a whole lot cooler when you get back inside. Remember, a cool car is not just about comfort, it also helps preserve your car's interior. Let's move on to number 3, headlight maintenance. We all know headlights are important, but here's a hidden gem: headlights tend to get hazy over time due to oxidation. Most drivers think the only solution is to replace them, but here's the secret: toothpaste. That's right, non-gel toothpaste can do wonders for restoring clarity to your headlights. Grab an old toothbrush, apply some toothpaste to the headlight, and scrub in small circular motions. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes. It's an easy, affordable trick that can save you from shelling out money for new lights. Moving on to number 4, winter is coming, and we all know what that means: ice and frost. Tired of scraping ice off your windshield every single morning? Here's a pro tip: mix 3 parts vinegar to 1 part water in a spray bottle and spritz it on your windshield the night before. It's like magic. The vinegar solution helps prevent ice from forming on your windshield. And if you forget to do it the night before? No worries, just spray it on in the morning, and it will melt the ice faster than you can say snowstorm. Now, number 5 might be something you've never heard of, but it's a game changer for traction. If you're stuck in a snowy parking lot or on a slippery road, and your car just can't seem to get a grip, the solution might already be in your trunk. Keep a small bag of cat litter back there. If your tires are spinning, just sprinkle the litter under them. It works by giving your tires more traction, and it's much more effective than trying to floor the gas. Plus, it's cheap and easy to find at any local pet store. Love your car? Then let us steer you right. Hit that subscribe button and smash the like tonight. Stay tuned for tips that save you cash and time, because driving smart makes your engine shine. Number 6 is all about fuel efficiency. You know when your car starts feeling sluggish, and you don't know why? Here's a simple trick that'll save you gas: make sure your tires are properly inflated. Underinflated tires can reduce fuel efficiency by as much as 3%. The good news is, you don't have to rely on the gas station pump to check your tire pressure. Get a portable tire inflator, and you'll have everything you need to keep your tires at their best, right in your garage or car. It's an easy fix, and it'll save you at the pump. Now, number 7 is going to change the way you approach your car's maintenance. Have you ever noticed that your car's fuel gauge is sometimes a bit tricky? You know the one that doesn't always tell you exactly how much fuel you've got left. Here's a trick that'll never let you down: there's an arrow next to the fuel icon on your dashboard. That's right, if you ever get confused about which side your gas tank is on, just look at the arrow. It points to the side of the car where your tank is. It's a simple, but incredibly useful hack. Alright, number 8 is for anyone who's ever struggled with brake squeal. You know that high-pitched squeal you get when you apply the brakes? Well, here's a trick that might just save you some frustration. If you're hearing that noise, the cause could be simple: dirt and dust caught between your brake pads and rotors. Try washing your brake rotors with water and a hose. It may not completely solve the problem, but it can reduce that annoying sound. If that doesn't work, it might be time to replace those brake pads, but at least this gives you a temporary fix. Moving on to number 9, the battle against bad odors in your car. We've all been there: the musty smell from wet clothes, food wrappers, or just the general funk that builds up over time. Before you run to the store for expensive air fresheners, try this: clip a dryer sheet to your air vent. Not only does it smell great, but it's super cheap and effective. The best part? It doesn't mask the smell, it neutralizes it. Plus, it's a great hack for long road trips. And now, number 10, the sun visor trick. If you're driving on a bright, sunny day and the sun is just blinding you, you probably already know the frustration of trying to adjust your sun visor. But most people don't realize that your visor may have a hidden extension. That's right, pull out the side flap, and you'll get extra coverage. This trick helps block out that annoying gap where the sun always seems to sneak through. If you don't have one, you can always invest in a magnetic visor extender. Just attach it to your car's existing visor for more control over sunlight. Now, before we wrap things up, let's sneak in a bonus tip. Have you ever needed to clean your car's interior and realized there's no vacuum nearby? Here's a quick fix: use a regular household lint roller to grab all that dirt, dust, and pet hair. Just roll it across your seats and carpets, and watch it pick up everything. It's perfect for quick cleaning, especially when you're running out the door and don't have time for a full vacuum session. And there you have it, folks, 10 car hacks that'll make you feel like a driving pro. Which one are you trying first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future car tips and tricks. Until next time, drive safe, keep exploring, and remember, the road is full of secrets, you just have to know where to look.